How to use ChatGPT. Beginner Guide. ChatGPT tutorial for daily life and work. Have you ever wished for a smart assistant that could answer questions, write content, help with studies, and even generate ideas instantly? That is exactly what ChatGPT does. Imagine having a personal teacher, writer, translator, business advisor, and creative assistant available 24 hours a day. Need help with English? ChatGPT can teach you. Need a YouTube script? ChatGPT can write one. Need business ideas? ChatGPT can suggest them. Need help in understanding a difficult topic? ChatGPT can explain it in simple words. Today we will learn how to use ChatGPT effectively and how it can make learning, working, and creating content much easier. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot. AI stands for artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is trained to understand human language and respond in a natural, conversational way. Think of ChatGPT as a very knowledgeable assistant. You ask questions, it gives answers. You give instructions, it performs tasks. You ask for ideas, it generates ideas. Here are some examples. You ask, who invented the telephone? ChatGPT answers, the telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Another example. You ask, explain gravity to a 10-year-old. ChatGPT simplifies the explanation and makes it easy to understand. This is what makes ChatGPT powerful. It can adapt its answers according to your needs. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works through prompts. A prompt is simply the instruction or question you give. Example 1. Prompt. Write a short story. The AI writes a story. Example 2. Prompt. Write a funny story about a monkey. The AI creates a funny monkey story. Example 3. Prompt. Write a funny monkey story for children with a moral. Now the answer becomes much better because the instruction is clearer. Important rule. The quality of your answer depends on the quality of your prompt. Better prompts produce better results. How to ask better questions. Many beginners make a mistake. They ask very short or unclear questions. Weak prompt. Teach English. ChatGPT doesn't know your level, your goal, your age, your learning style. Better prompt. Teach spoken English for beginners. Excellent prompt. Teach spoken English for beginners using simple vocabulary, daily conversation examples, and practice exercises. Notice the difference. The more information you provide, the better the response you will get. Example, learning English with ChatGPT prompt. Teach me 5 daily use English sentences. Response, how are you? I'm fine. What are you doing? I'm going to work. See you later. Follow-up prompt. Translate these into Tamil. Now ChatGPT provides Tamil translations. Follow-up prompt. Create a conversation using these sentences. Now ChatGPT creates a conversation. One topic can become a complete lesson. Using ChatGPT for students. Students can use ChatGPT as a learning assistant. Example. Prompt. Explain photosynthesis in simple words. ChatGPT explains the topic. Next prompt. Give me an example. ChatGPT provides examples. Next prompt. Create a quiz about photosynthesis. Now ChatGPT creates questions for practice. Next prompt. Check my answers. ChatGPT can review them. This creates a complete learning experience. Using ChatGPT for YouTube creators. Content creators can save hours of work. Example, prompt. Give me 20 YouTube video ideas about learning English. ChatGPT generates ideas instantly. Example prompt. Write a 5-minute YouTube script about confidence. ChatGPT writes a script. Example prompt. Create image prompts for every scene. ChatGPT generates visual prompts. Example prompt. Write a thumbnail title. ChatGPT suggests titles. This is why many creators use ChatGPT as an assistant. Using ChatGPT for office work. Professionals use ChatGPT to improve productivity. Writing emails. Prompt. Write a professional leave request email. Writing reports prompt. Create a weekly project report template. Meeting notes prompt. Summarize these meeting notes. ChatGPT can organize information quickly. Using ChatGPT for business ideas. Entrepreneurs can brainstorm ideas. Example prompt. Give me 10 business ideas under 10,000 rupees. Example prompt. Suggest online businesses for students. Example prompt. Create a marketing plan for a bakery. The AI can generate business strategies and ideas. Using ChatGPT for daily life. ChatGPT is useful beyond work and study. Meal planning prompt. Create a healthy vegetarian meal plan. Travel planning prompt. Plan a 3-day trip to Mysore. Time management. Prompt. Create a daily routine for productivity. Fitness prompt. Create a beginner walking schedule. Magic prompt. Formula. Whenever you ask ChatGPT something, follow this formula. Role plus task plus details plus format. Example role. English teacher. Task, teach spoken English details for beginners. Format, with examples and exercises. Final prompt, act as an English teacher. Teach spoken English for beginners with daily conversation examples and practice exercises. This formula dramatically improves responses. Common mistakes to avoid mistake. 1. Asking vague questions. Tell me about English. Teach English grammar for beginners with examples. Mistake 2. Expecting perfect answers immediately. Ask follow-up questions. Example, what? Can you explain more? Give more examples. Simplify this. Mistake 3. Not giving enough context. Instead of write a story, use write a 5-minute motivational story for children with a moral lesson. 20 useful prompts for beginners. Teach spoken English. Explain grammar simply. Write a motivational story. Give YouTube video ideas. Create a study plan. Write a professional email. Explain science topics. Create a fitness routine. Suggest business ideas. Create a daily schedule. Translate English to Tamil. Summarize this article. Create a speech. Generate interview questions. Explain mathematics. Plan a trip. Create a budget. Write social media captions. Generate thumbnail titles. Create image prompts. Conclusion. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. It is a learning assistant, writing assistant, creative partner, productivity tool, and idea generator. The secret to using ChatGPT successfully is simple. Ask clear questions. Give detailed instructions. Use follow-up prompts. The better your prompt, the better your result. And remember, ChatGPT is most powerful when you treat it like a smart assistant and communicate clearly. If you like this video, kindly do like and subscribe our channel. And share this video to all your friends and relatives.